fifth graders. This is Eureka Math, Module 1, Lesson 7, and if you are watching this, it's probably because you struggled with the Lesson 7 exit ticket. So let's go through it. Now I have to tell you, I am not a huge fan of this chart, and I honestly didn't look at it for your grade at all, okay? So the table's just there to show you that there are 8 ones, 5 tenths, 4 hundredths, and 6 thousandths. This is the number we're starting with, okay? Which means the same as 85 tenths, 4 hundredths, and 6 thousandths, or 854 hundredths and 6 thousandths, or 8,546 thousandths. Those are all the same number. They just moved everything over, okay? Now, what I'm particularly looking at is the hundredths and how you rounded them. So we start with this number, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the thousandths place and I'm going to decide, am I going to round up into 55 hundredths, or am I going to round down to 54 hundredths? And I'm going to look at this number, and that's a 6. So anything from 0 to 4 rounds down, and anything from 5 to 9 rounds up. So with this being a 6, that means that 8 and 55 hundredths is the answer. So 8 and 55 hundredths, because that 6 makes it go up. Now I'm going to write the same number here, but now I'm rounding to tenths. So the next tenth is 8 and 6 tenths, or 8 and 5 tenths. And now, because it's tenths, not hundredths, I'm looking at the hundredths spot, which is a 4, and I'm going to decide, does that 4 make things go up, or does it make things go down? Okay, so there's 5 to 9. And it's a 4, so things go down. So my answer is 8 and 5 tenths, just like that. Again, the vertical number lines is something new. If you're not getting it right away, we can keep talking about it in class. You didn't have to do anything with this chart. I'm only looking for the number lines and circling the rounded value. Okay, that's what the answer says. Use the table to round to the number to give places, label the number lines, and circle the rounded value. The table's just there to help you. Okay, all right. See you in class.